Hello and welcome again at Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we will talk about 21st Century Fox traded at Nasdaq, ticker name FOXA. So these are like category A shares, and you see that the price action indeed lasts several days, actually a couple of weeks, is indeed very dramatic, in a sense that we are from the level of 40.5 are declining already, forming this very fastly moving downwards slope, and currently finished trading at 30.29, and actually this price action was starting from the previous wave also, which developed really sharp and took 3 days to develop, and now it takes let's say several days already, let's say 6 days to decline. Now the question is, okay, what's next, how to play here, what we can expect with this actions, will it recover, and actually what to do? Well, first of all, what is important to note here that we see clear signs of deceleration, because if you look the volume traded today, it's lower, so not many people are selling, and this is nice. Also you see it from the candle formation. Today's candle is a small body candle with even smaller upwards downward shadow, so looks like we're decelerating, and also we're sitting actually at the very strong support level that was formed also historically at about 30.50. So this is the S1 line, let's call it, so it will be S1 line, and it's 30.50 actually level. And with this actually being said, okay, let's so 30.50 level, okay, I will write it a bit higher. So this is the level we're sitting in the moment. And of course, the question is, will we rebound or go further? Well, both are possible, so we will appreciate both situations, and we will see how to play here. First of all, as always, at our daily chart, we have here 3 moving averages depicted. These are moving average 20, 50, and 200, being green, blue, and red line correspondingly. On the left, you see their legends. So, coming back to the analysis, what is important to understand? First of all, let's look at RSI. After being in the top of the wave, almost touching overbought area, RSI is also slightly declining with some small, let's say, volatility. Now we're sitting in the middle, so what might happen, we could even do a small bump upwards, and this also could be happening because if you look at the moving averages, 20 and 50, they are decelerating, and decelerating means that the moving average 20 didn't work as a support line, although it tried to be like 3 trading sessions ago. Then it was pierced further. So now what might happen, the vicinity of moving average 50, there is another very strong support level. You can clearly see it here being formed, which is actually even historically also is there, like up to several months ago. What can be said here is that indeed this level is strong. It might work. This would be the level of 30, exactly 30. So S2 line, and this level S2 might work also as a repeller. So therefore, that's S1, S2 level would be indeed the first, let's say, opportunity to enter. So this would be 30. And from there, if we rebounds, still the risk is that moving average 20 here, if you would imagine and continue, it might work as a resist line, which is often known as a trapping between moving average 20 and 50 for the stocks that are showing so-called 20, 50, 200 pattern. So these are the stocks that whose moving averages are aligned like this, and until this is the case, especially if you are buying in the vicinity of moving average 20, for mid and long-term traders, any stock is okay to sit in. Once this pattern starts to break, then of course you need to think if you want to, let's say, rethink your portfolio. But for short-term traders or for daily traders, we really need to catch the wave. That's what we are discussing here. So speaking of catching the wave, indeed we can clearly see that now it might be the first opportunity to buy between S1, S2 level, because if we have a rebound tomorrow, so it would be immediate buy, even a little bit lower towards moving average 50. So if we have rebounds, we could make quickly like several percent. It might be even that moving average 20 will be pierced upwards, but not really expected. So even if we go, it might be like a quick zigzagging, so upwards towards moving average 20, maybe then you can exit. But then it's still more expected to pierce further down, because that's usually also historically seen for this stock. We saw these examples in September. Well, actually many cases we saw it in mid of November, also December, mid of December. So every time, especially on the up moving trends we see, once it's happening, then we start a major rebound. So therefore it's expected to go a little bit lower, and there we will be prepared to buy with more, let's say, being stronger buyers. And of course then the first entry level would be at level S3, which will be 28.50. Let's write it here. So this would be our S3 line, 28.50 as an entry. And then the lower channel where you can enter with these actually is here. So we would draw it like that, and this would be in the vicinity of 29.60. So just sitting 27.60, just sitting at moving average 200. So this would be our S4 level. Let's write it here. S4 29.60. So 29.60. That would be our 27.60. That would be our another level. So that's the second level to enter. Why is it so nice? Because it's actually also together with moving average 200. If you imagine continue this line, it will be just there. So it will be very strong support level, and it's immediate buy at S3. So from there we should rebound, and as always we saw it before. And for this fastly moving chart, it's expected, well, it's advised to make up to 15% profit and then just try another stocks, because that's always what we propose at our channel. That's our trading strategy as well. Don't be too greedy, don't sit too long, otherwise you can lose money. So we post daily many videos so you can make another entries and check another new opportunity. So that would be the second entry. And of course, should we go really lower, then of course it's easy thing. We just go for another support levels. So that would be the level of, then we just need to prepare for really strong, let's say, average down. And it's clear that the opportunity here is just sitting between 26.25. These would be correspondingly lines S5. So S5 being 26 and S6. I should choose another color, S6 being 25. So that would be another level to enter here, and of course then you can be very sure that it will be a final average down. Not expected at all we go that low, because still we're in the uptrend channel. We will talk about this for the moment. So how it's advised to buy? Still it's very bullish overall in the midterm, so it's advised to buy with 1-2-2 strategy. What does it mean? That the funds you would like to play here, you can split in 5 portions, and then you actually buy with 1 portion in the first circle, then you buy with 2 portions in the second circle, and if needed you can average down again with 2 portions in the last circle. And the circles are depicted here actually, so these are the entry levels. Why is it still expected to grow and it's not that negative? So we propose these levels to enter, to average down, but this is more really risk mitigation. So sometimes people say, why do you advise those low levels? Well, this is mainly a risk mitigation, and of course, speaking of positiveness, why we can even not go there, it's these clearly, let's say, trend lines that we see, of course, here. Let's say this is one line, we can call it T1. So if it will be confirmed tomorrow, if we rebound, okay, we go another wave. If it will be pierced, still okay, because overall it's quite strongly trading channel already, because we've been sitting on this channel already a long time. And if you look carefully, here is let's say the trading channel between S2 and this one, let's call it T2. So these are trading channels that were quite nice, and if you buy in the middle, like with first average down, or lower to this channel with second average down, you are very sure, even if price declines, that you will recover and actually go all the way until S2. So this is very nice stock to play with, very profitable, and can give profit at any moment. So it's really advised to follow this 5 portion strategy. Don't be too greedy, don't bet with all your portfolio, and then you can make very nice profit here, folks. I'm pretty sure on that. So good luck with this one. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you're first time watching this video. And by the way, you can follow us at various social medias as well, like Facebook, Facebook, Instagram, or you can try our free mobile application named Stocks Advisor. Please check it in the description to this video. So let's stay connected, let's make profit together, and see you at another episode of Stocks Advisor channel.